Bridgeport Speedway. Looks like we just dodged the rain. Scott and the boys are getting the car ready. Tate is anxiously awaiting his first drive in a Sportsman Modified. The buses should be arriving any minute. And the time is right. The time is right for the second annual Black Tie at Bridgeport, and we're looking forward to it here. May 31st, Cannonball Club. See you soon.
Cannonball cars. If you guys want to come out with the modified, you're welcome to come behind the grandstand. Either way, again, thank you guys all for coming out.
All right, we're here at Bridgeport Speedway. This is Tate Lanier, our star of the evening. Tate, you driven a Sportsman Modified a lot?
Absolutely not. First time.
First time for everything, but he's going to do a great job. Tate, anything to add?
Nah, man, nothing other than thank you to Cannonball Club for setting this up. Scott for getting the car dialed in. She's gonna be a rocket ship. We're gonna have a good time tonight.
Amen.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave. Thank you.
Awesome delivery to our nation's national anthem. Thank you, Lisa.
What you got there?
We got merch. We got the blue crew neck. We got the yellow crew neck, lifeguard style, and we got the brown quarter zip. Everything else is upstairs, but if you need some merch, you can buy it here. Normally, we always sell our merch out of Chris's silly new GT3. It's the perfect space for storing nice American-made clothing in a German car. Oh, and the shoes are not for sale.
I'll take it anyway. I'll take it.
The shoes are for sale.
Tell me what you got there. 78688.
The white ticket.
White ticket. That's a good sign.
All right, $12,171. 786 820.
Oh,
So it's 820. You got it. You're $1,171.
you're only off by a little bit. Yeah, something like 600. Yeah.
On the wall. That was cool. Tate Lanier.
On the fence.
That's my goat right there, for sure.
It's insane.
I didn't know it had to go out wide.
They all bunched up, so he went high and just
Right on the rails.
50-50 right along the jersey there.
31-year-old McKinney from Jacksonville, New Jersey. Miller.
Did everyone have a good time? Yeah, that was one hell of a race out there. I tell you, usually you want 4 tires on the ground, but not when you're at dirt track racing. You want 3.
Wait, get the new Cannonball sweatshirt, hell yeah. It's a video.
Love you, Jay. Is that highly correlated with your love? Hey, go Jay!
Well, it was a wonderful night here at Bridgeport Speedway. The buses are just leaving now. It was an absolutely wonderful turnout. And shout out 12th Street Catering for an amazing event. Shout out Doug for Bridgeport letting us put this on, and Scott for running an amazing car. Got a little sticky there in the feature race and did a little 50-50 wall grind off the jersey barrier. However, overall 10 out of 10 night, and couldn't be happier. So thanks so much for everybody coming out, and we look forward to the next one. Go Tate.
Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose.
Bridgeport Speedway, closing out the second annual Cannonball Club Black Tie event. To be honest, it wasn't the greatest night for our cars, but our guests had a lovely time. Ryan, can you confirm?
I would 100% confirm. I shaved my beard just for this event, and my beard couldn't have been happier.
Ryan opted for the Canadian tuxedo, but dirt track racing is alive and well here in South Jersey, as it was last year, and we're looking forward to coming back next year.
100%.
Ryan, anything in closing?
No, just if you weren't here this year, you missed out, and you missed a horizontal race. Let's get vertical next year.
Horizontal this year, vertical next year. Thanks again.
ハイパースピードメディア